In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my ultimate van life setup for Wake Park road tripping. Let's roll the intro. I actually can't believe it. It is the second summer of cruising in the van. Last year was probably the best summer of my life. Having the vans just really allowed us to travel and take everything that we needed to different parks around the country, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. Excited to spend the summer in this thing again. I got my beautiful fiance here with me, Melissa Colborne. She's going to be joining us on the adventures, and we're going to be taking you guys along today. Right now we are headed down to North Devon. It is one of the best parks in the UK, run by the Constable family, a crew of absolute legends, and the park is super unique. They got some really fun rails, they got an insane pool gap which they built themselves, and yeah, we're going to go for a little session there, and then after that we're going to go to a camp out spot. It is a pretty secret park up location with an incredible view, and we're going to be bringing you guys along for the ride. We're going to be showing you exactly how we get the van set up. I gotta say, living in this thing is so easy, it's so much fun, so make sure to keep watching. We're going to get to North Devon now. Make sure to subscribe as well, people, and go and check out tpbshop.com. There's so much good stuff over on our website there. But yeah, enjoy. And there we have it, people. We made it to North Devon Wake Park. This place is always at the top of my must-visit list for any road trip. Stay tuned. You're going to find out exactly why. Oh yes, guys, that was a session. That was so much fun. Always a good time down here at North Devon Wake Park, and right now we are going to get the show on the road. The weather hasn't been the best. We still had a fun shred regardless, but we are going to go to our top secret park up spot, and fingers crossed the weather is going to clear up. We're going to have a fantastic little evening session, so sit tight. We are going to be taking you through the van setup very shortly, and just keep watching. Come on, that's the last thing that we ask of you guys. Oh yes, guys, we made it to the park up spot. Have a little look at this. Absolute views, so epic. We can just come, bring our little camping stove out here. We're going to make some dinner. Look at that, looking out across the bay there. Super nice. So we're going to quickly take you through how we get the van set up. I'm going to show you around. Are you ready to get to work?
Yeah.
This thing's fast though, people. Get ready. We're going to take all the boards and whatnot out of here. If you aren't at a cable park where you can leave the boards, it can be a little bit tricky sometimes. What we usually tend to do is just slide the boards under the van and just hope that nobody nicks them. Pull these straps down, loosen off that buckle, push up with the head. Just like that, people. Good ventilation up in here. We've got a little bed if some people want to sleep over. Shoulder slide. How's like that? Oh god, don't want to be doing too much of that, get you people excited. Just give these a quick undo, then the swiveling can commence. So it was a little bit tricky at first when I got the van. Little slide forward. I have a chair, la la la. Lovely, lovely stuff. A lot of moving bits and bobs around. Use of limited space. Now we've got the basic setup, I'm going to show you kind of where everything lives. Here we got a little cleaning bits and bobs, a little extendable washing line, mini fridge. Got some eggs tonight. Got the little bin, plates and bowls, pots, our NutriBullet blender, some Tupperware, and we've got the gas canister in here. Essentials, we've got our little magnetic spice rack. We've got our cutlery drawer, knives, scissors. We've got the hobs, we've got the sink, and one of my personal favourites, the Shiwi. It doesn't work great for number twos, I won't lie. Pantry, cereals, some bread, some herbs and spices. Whey protein 360 for the game. Frying pan, water tank for the sink. Never know when you might need it. A little bit of Smirnoff vodka. In here we got our wash bags, toiletries, all that kind of jazz. Wardrobe, and we also keep some clothes in this duffel bag, so we kind of circulate. Got extra clothes in the storage there too. So we keep our shoes, and one of my personal favorite things is the bed. Honestly, one of the comfiest beds I've ever slept in, and it's so easy to set it up. Pull it out like that, pop it down and lock it in. People just roll that bad boy down. So good. You can just pop these back doors open like so.
Dinner time.
All right, I'm starving. Let's do this. Let's get to dinner. Oh, and also, if you've been enjoying, please make sure to check out tpbshop.com. Go subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, you won't regret it. I promise. Okay, so we're gonna grab some essentials. Cool. We got our camping stove, spare gas canister. Got some storage, and here we got our camping chairs. Oh, we are locked and loaded. They say teamwork makes the dream work, huh? What's on the menu for tonight?
Tonight we're making a tofu stir fry. Got some noodles, already chopped mixed stir fry, vegetable mix, some extra spinach.
Already know Melissa is a fully registered dietitian, and she is incredible. She really changes people's lives out here, helping them to lose weight, helping them to achieve their goals. Having her around to cook me delicious meals all the time. We're not only eating healthily, but we are eating
Nutritiously.
Yeah, nutritious and
delicious.
You.
I'm making him do all the work.
Like, it is a lot of work, but it is absolutely so worth it. Being able to just whip up some dinner, like literally on the edge of a cliff, basically, overlooking Westwood Ho. You can't get that in bricks and mortar. How's about that, people? Just unbelievable scenes for dinner. And now, what a treat to have this beautiful lady. I actually think that I really love living in a van. Before I bought it, I was a little bit scared because it was for sure the biggest purchase I'd ever made in my life. And I was a little bit nervous. I didn't really know if it was going to be the right decision or not. But literally a couple of weeks into it, and I was just absolutely loving it. Like, the freedom that you get with it. You save so much money as well. I mean, paying rent in the UK is like minimum £800 a month for a place. Okay, yeah, I have to insure the van every year, I have to put fuel into it, but actually where I get to go and what I get to see, it is a little bit more hard work, but it is 100% worth it. So if you're thinking of getting a van, or even just something to make some weekend trips in, like 100% I would recommend it. You won't regret it. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, man, look at that.
How's it gonna be? Together. Amazing.
Absolute vibes, people. Seriously, it's just the best times.
Delicious.
Oh, now we're talking. Like, that's the thing that I love. You can just set up literally anywhere. We got a little camping stove, we got a little barbecue, we got a mad view as well. Like, imagine just sitting eating brekkie like this. So good. Perfect brekkie spot, huh? Guys, come on. Drop us a comment if you want to see more of Melissa in the vlogs. She's going to be around like a lot more now, so.
Gonna have to do 9 months in the UK soon.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Come on.
Good.
In the words of a very wise man, Booyakasha. That is a power brekkie. Yes, good morning people. It has been an action-packed morning already.
That's smart.
Ram your hand in there.
No.
Oh my god! That's why I'm never getting a dog. You know, it's actually pretty mad, like, living in a van is actually flipping sick. Like, when you think about it, it doesn't sound at all that glamorous. Like, there are definitely upsides and downsides to it, but like the freedom that you get from it is just so sick. What do you think?
Yeah, minimalist lifestyle.
Proper minimalism. You got to cut down on like everything in your house that you think you need, you actually don't. So nice. Alright, we suited and booted, well, suited and crocked. We're gonna pick up these surfboards now and we're gonna go for a session. The waves are looking somewhat small, but you can't complain. Getting out in the sea in the morning is just prime. What a way to start the day, huh?
Ew.
Woo! Okay guys, it's been an epic surf session. To wrap up this video, if you've enjoyed, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Go check out tpbshop.com. We'll check you guys in the next adventure.